Hi everyone and welcome back to another brilliant episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. This week it is episode 23 and we're doing one of my favourite dishes, and I believe this dish originates from the beautiful country of Greece. Absolutely love this dish. We're making gyros. First time I tried them was in Greece. Then, of course, town up the road from where we used to live, Carlisle. Bloke who used to be there, he'd done gyros and they were gorgeous. Anyway, enough chit chat, time to get down to business. So I'm doing a mixed gyro. I'm doing pork and chicken. We of course have some beautiful garlic mayo. Absolutely gorgeous. Some of my favourite sauce, Thai sweet chilli. Give it that nice bit of a punch. Got a 2 kilogram bag of chips as well. And some sort of wrap pita bread type things. Not sure how many I'm making today because we are trying to sort of save some of the meat because meat prices in Benidorm are rising. So first things first, I'm going to prepare the meat, cut it into smaller strips. See you in a minute. Okay, so first things first, we're going to boil the chicken because we've run out of oil. Quick cooking tip as well. Don't do what I've just done. Left the pan in the oven on, got it out with the oven gloves on, and burnt myself. Do not do that. Take all pans out before you switch the oven, because yeah, it hurts. It hurts like hell. Okay, just gonna get the chicken boiled up now. So, see you soon. Okay, take it off the gas for a bit and put the pork in. Put that out the way. Back on the gas, and the most important thing about cooking with a wok is whatever you're cooking, just keep it moving, guys. You've got to be nice and fast. Make sure all the meat's getting nice and cooked up as well. I'll see you when everything's ready. Right, everything's ready now, guys. Time to put your ingredients in the gyros. So gonna fold it up, bring it about halfway up, bring one edge across and the other. So you got sort of like a little container for your ingredients there. Okay, so first off, I'm just going to put a few chips in. Okay, so now you've got it all folded up, put your ingredients in. I'm going to start by putting a couple chips in. Hopefully nothing falls out, guys. Probably not the best way of doing this, but still. Next up, just put a fair bit of meat in it, make it nice and meaty. Bit of Thai sweet chili sauce. Garlic mayo. Put it on the plate. Hopefully it don't all fall apart. Toothpick, just sort of in between it, holds it together. Ta-da! Let me know what you think down below. Okay everyone, time to do the taste test. Homemade gyros fit for the king. Let's go to Sue do the first taste test. You're not sure where to start, are you, Sue?
Seems to be all sorts in it.
That's the best bit.
I'm going to cut it because it'll probably get all over my house.
What are you thinking?
Sue's not saying a lot, Marcus.
Say something, you're making me nervous. Don't you like it?
I've got a mixture there with meat.
Yeah, there's dog meat in it.
The garlic sauce first of all, and then I've got the spice of the chilli sauce.
Smashing.
I haven't found a chip though yet.
The chips are further down. I think I'm gonna try a bit. I think I've got a bit of pork here. Get it on some of the wrap if I can. Nice guys, nice size.
Marcus has gone quiet now.
Wow, as good as Sue's just said, you get the tanginess of the garlic mayo, the kick of the Thai sweet chili, absolutely gorgeous.
How is it, Sue?
The pork and chicken cooked to perfection. 10 out of 10. Something that even my favourite YouTuber, Danny, aka Right My Takeaway, would love.
Thought you meant me then, Marcus.
Yeah, you as well. Get some chips, mix it in.
Very nice. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Because I still prefer your pie.
Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like, smash subscribe. See you in the next video. Time to get tucked in.